Natin eh.
Siguro tumira ka ng weeds kagabi.
Gago time na.
Recess na. Pagkatas nga ni Sir, recess.
Woman, not girls, rule my world. I said they rule my world. A courageous woman, not your shoe size, and maybe we could do the twirl. You'd be to have an attitude. It's all up to me. Love will be your food. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. Ain't no particular sign I'm more compatible with. I just want your extra time and your kiss.
Natapos.
Ha?
Talagang paulit-ulit talaga yan, no?
Okay lang.
Hindi. Siyempre, mapanood natin kila kuya yan.
Uy, wag.
Ang sama naman ito si Kuya Nelson lang. Si Kuya Nelson lang, promise.
Mamaya yan, makikita mo naman yung cellphone service niya.
Hindi. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Okay.
Basta siguraduhin mo gagawin mo yung mga pinaggagawa. Mamaya maiya ka dyan eh.
Bonus, okay lang.
Parinig nga nung ano, yung talagang naririnig ko yung ano. Anong pinipindot kanina si Kuya eh? Yan ba yun? May pinindot kanina si Kuya eh.
Dito yan eh.
Eh.
Patayin mo na yan!
Nagdit pa na.
Last one na. Dali. Ano ako? Please ako. Nakalimutan ko kasi yung lyrics eh, kahit na. You don't have to be beautiful to turn me on. I just need your body, baby, from dusk till dawn. You don't need experience to take me out. Just leave it all up to me. I'll show you what it's all about. You don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. Ain't no particular sign I'm more compatible with. I just want your extra time and your kiss. You've got to not talk dirty, baby. If you want to impress me, you can't be too flirty, mama. I know how to undress me. Let me be your fantasy. Or maybe you could be mine. I just want to be a baby.
Okay, go.
Let's have a good time. Don't have to be rich to be my girl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. Ain't no particular sign I'm more compatible with. I just want your extra time and your kiss.
Sabi sumayaw. Ang cute! May tuturo ba sa inyo? May tuturo ba sa...
You've got to not dance in my world. I said they rule my world. At your age, woman.